Carol? You know, I couldn't discern it from thunder, you know, or lightning. It was so loud for a while there anyway, with wind and rain, and you don't see this every day, do you?
No, I want to ask you a question about your tree.
Yeah.
I'll charge $150 for my side and top it. You want to split the cost?
You should do it for free because we're using my driveway.
Yeah. Right.
Will you do it?
Okay. Okay.
Get him down for free.
See his other oak leaning? That one over there?
Yeah.
It's leaning. The guy told him when I said, why don't you cut it? He said, I'm moving.
Yeah.
Tom Tame, you should have said yes, and then she could have given you 75, and you could have gotten that for free.
I saw you
could have
turn
plus
around in
75.
my driveway, and I was going to, and then you took off. I was like,
Well, because I couldn't get through her.
yeah.
You know, I didn't know because Dan was out there with him last night, and he had somebody check in there.
What's her name?
Terry.
That one's leaning.
Terry Griffin.
I'm moving.
I think.
Oh my God! Look at you don't realize the damage until.
Yeah, mangled.
Just snapped the mess up in half.
I guess the only question is, did he have any damage up to his eaves over there where it attaches to it?
And the pool, too.
Yeah.
I'm moving out of the way.
I'll talk to him in a second. I think what I'm going to do is get him down to half, and then we'll split the half. Split 75.
If you need to, yeah.
That work okay?
Yeah.
It feels good, Mom. We'll get him
Because
down.
mine is hanging on. I know you had yours on trim.
Oh, I know. It's an ugly tree.
Because he said it's your responsibility, but if it falls on my house, I'm responsible.
That's the way the...
He said that's Florida law.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the old grapefruit tree right there that it crushed.
It went right like across.
Right over top of a grapefruit. You'll see a mangled citrus tree here in a little bit.
Wasn't that the tree it was wrapped around?
Yeah.
No?
Well, there's another one. See the brick border?
Oh, okay. I didn't even notice that one last night because we came riding.
See, that's a nice close grapefruit tree, so when it's dark out and Laura needs fresh grapefruit for a drink, I can sneak over.
She doesn't. I don't think she would care.
You might want to move back because it's going to come over your head.
Yeah, it comes over my house.
Yeah, just watch how it swings. Keep that thing up in the air.
Cat,
Get it?
it comes over my house.
Yeah, you'd be surprised at how far it swings.
It does swing
It all
away.
swings over. They swing it.
Oh, okay.
It's 100 foot long, he says.
It's scary. We were, you know, you think of the expense, and my husband and I talk about it, and you think of the expense, and I called him, and I said, happy anniversary, honey, because guess what we're doing today? Because I'm not having something like that fall on my house. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can take that, too. See?
Maybe it'll fall down.
Hey, Bill, talk Charlie into getting rid of that other one there, too.
I don't think he's home right now, I'll be honest with you.
You're kidding.
No, I mean, he'd be out here.
Yeah, I would think he would as well.
Where do you live? Up the street?
I do.
You look familiar.
Which house do you live in?
Here.
Oh, that's a really.
The next one.
Hello.
The next one.
And you're Carol, because I remember from when Renee and Andy and the Keelings.
Yeah. Yeah. Your daughter's in
Petey,
the
all the action's going on.
Yeah!
Right next.
my granddaughter's
You and
in
your
the
buddy
theater.
over there. Get on the
Oh,
shoulder.
well, my oldest son was a Gator. He
goes right over my house.
He'll be 26 in June.
You want to take that too?
Mike just missed everything. Yeah.
Really?
Carol, what was the thing he said he would do? What to the tree? He'd top it
Top
and what?
it and my side, make it, thin it out, you know what I mean, so it's not a sale
Yep.
for $150. Then he wanted to do my two front ones, but I'm not worried about my two front ones. He thinned them out.